Alright guys, we are back! Good evening, good morning, or good afternoon. Regardless where you're at, I hope you're having a fantastic day. And of course, as always, it is so great to see you here today. So, welcome to Photography Talk, episode 29. Now we have a handful of things to discuss that have taken place over the last week. But first, this might be your first time here. If that is the case, I would personally like to welcome you to the channel. We push out videos on a regular basis, all things related to photography, gear reviews, and drones. Plus, we usually have some sort of giveaway going on, so my new friend, there are perks to subscribing. Please consider hitting that subscribe button down below. It would mean a lot, and we'd love to have you part of this community. So now, on to the news. Canon is set to drop 6 new lenses in the next 6 months. Now, the best thing about the Canon EOS R lineup is the RF lenses. Well, until the R5 comes out anyway. And the RF lens lineup is set to get much bigger in the next handful of months, as Canon is planning to unveil 6 new lenses. So some of the lenses are standard fare. You have the RF 50mm 1.8, the RF 85mm f2, then you have the RF 70mm, which is an f4L, and then of course the RF 100 to 500, and that is a 4.5 to a 7.1, and that is an L lens as well. But here's the thing, Canon is also releasing 2 surprising telephoto prime lenses. The first is an RF 600mm f11DO, and the other is a RF 800mm f11DO. Now, there's been a ton of talk about these 2 f11 lenses since this lens roadmap was revealed a few days ago. These lenses have a DO designation, which stands for diffractive optics. And this isn't new. There are some EF lenses with the diffractive optics, but they'll be the first DO lenses in the RF mount. Now, to highlight the difference between these lenses and Canon's L series glass, they have a green band that goes around rather than the red band that indicates the L series lenses. Since these DO lenses bend light in a greater degree, Canon can put far fewer optic elements inside the lens. This in turn allows for a much shorter lens to be produced. The improved optics and smaller form factor come at a cost though. The existing Canon EF 400mm f4DO is a cool $7,000. The 600 and the 800mm RF versions are rumored to be much less expensive though, so investing in telephoto lenses might not be such a bad hit on the old bank account. Now, of course, I've been singing praise for the Canon RF lenses for a long time, and with these additions, especially that 50mm 1.8, finally, the RF family of lenses will be even better. Adorama now has a credit card. For all you gearheads out there, Adorama recently announced that they have a credit card will come at great news. Now you can buy all the gear that you want and get something in return. Like, for example, the option of 5% off your purchases when you use the Adorama Edge credit card. Alternatively, you can choose to get special finance benefits like no interest for 6 or 12 months, well, depending on the amount that you spend. There's no annual fee either, which is of course a nice bonus. If you want to add the Adorama Edge credit card to your wallet, check out the link in the description to apply. Now remember here, the key here is to use credit wisely. Next, Adobe's new Photoshop camera app uses AI to transform your photos. Adobe's new Photoshop camera app is being promoted as a way to add Instagram-worthy lenses and camera effects to your photos, either before or after you take the shot. Now, although Photoshop is in the name of the app, it is not, guys, a traditional photo editing platform. Instead, it uses Adobe's Sensei AI technology to allow you to quickly add stylized filters like replacing the sky in your image. The app has some traditional editing tools, like for example, a magic wand. You can use it to automatically fix a distortion, change portrait lighting, and add other effects. You can also manipulate highlights, shadows, and contrast. It's clear that this app is not intended for professional photographers or even serious hobbyists. Instead, it's aimed at people that have not yet made it into Adobe's ecosystem who might, just might, find a hidden love for photography by using the app. So if you are interested in it, check out the description below for links to download Photoshop Camera on Google Play or the App Store. All right, friend, that is the biggest news in the photography world over the last week. Now let's discuss our current giveaway. Here's what we got going on for prizes this time around. A GoPro Hero 8 Black, a HNY K series filter, which also includes a circular polarizer, adapter rings, and a graduated ND filter, a Wander Hexad 45-liter duffel bag, and a $100 Adorama gift card. And each winner gets a Octapad as well. This giveaway ends on July 7th, 2020. As always, to enter the giveaway, it is really simple. Step 1, like this video and subscribe to our channel. Step 2, leave a comment below. In fact, the more of our videos that you watch and leave a comment on, the greater the chances that you have to win. So, get watching some of our other videos and leave some comments. Step 3, register on PhotographyTalk and introduce yourself into the forum. Now, if you have registered on the site and introduced yourself during the last giveaway, you're still eligible to win this time, but still swing on over and say hello. Well, there you go, my friend. Photography Talk episode 29. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button down below. If you are currently not subscribed to the channel, as I mentioned earlier, hit the subscribe button. We'd love to have you around. And last but not least, hit the bell, smash that bell to be notified each time that we come out with a new video. So, my friend, I'm going to jump on off. You get out there, enjoy your evening, stay safe, and take your best shot.